Here's my take on what's happening right now in this market. Yesterday, we had this pause, right? And of course, listen, the hottest stocks in the world occasionally pull back, but it wasn't alarming, considering, again, that they just experienced the greatest 6-week sprint in history, particularly momentum, right? I've been talking about this momentum ETF for a while. It was created back in 2014. And what they did, though, S&P actually said, we're going to back test this. We're going to have a hypothetical. So they went all the way back to sort of think about how often it would move or when you could get these sort of 6-week rallies. So 6-week rallies on, maybe 1 to 4%, but never anything like this, 30.5%. In other words, even hypothetically, this has never happened before. We're in the midst of history right now. There's never been a run like this with these kind of stocks. Momentum absolutely on fire. Of course, yesterday we closed down in the end of the world, folks. They started chirping loudly. I don't know. They never go away. But, I keep contending that bubble talk itself is the bubble, especially when it comes to technology and other momentum names. Again, the comparisons to the late 1990s, just not even night and day. So you have price. Well, obviously, price was phenomenal. But then you have also earnings. That key thing we talk about? Earnings never really did well. This time around, it's flipped. Earnings are setting the stage. Price is chasing earnings right now. It's nowhere near the fantasy that it was because it just isn't. And so this time it is different, even though every time there's a bump in the road, you're going to hear otherwise. Also, the way the market's been selling off. So this morning, this is about an hour into trading. Take a look at the weakest sectors: utilities, real estate, healthcare. Those are safe havens, folks, right? So people were afraid these would be green, not red. I just want you to look beneath the headlines, right? Now, of course, speaking of headlines, you probably saw the PPI number this morning. Obviously, it was huge, much hotter than expected. And again, the headlines came across, this dashes hopes for a Fed rate cut, and that means the market could be in trouble. I got news for you. This is where we were coming into this morning, and 54% chance going into next year that rates will be right where they are right now. So the bottom line is no hopes were dashed. And that's really, to me, the most impressive part about this rally. It's happening without the high octane of easy money printing. Now, the question, of course, is where does the power come from? How do we keep this thing going? That's the focus of today's show. We talk about power to keep the pedal to the metal and avoid the spinouts, the crashes, and all the other dangerous things, right? Because we want to move toward that checkered flag. Because remember, if you ain't first, you're last.